Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best rechargeable air dusters, selected for their without the need for disposable cans, combining portability, efficiency, and convenience for home offices, tech setups, and hobbyist workstations alike. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. isfriday X64PRO Air Duster. The isfriday X64PRO Air Duster is a premium high-performance turbofan designed for users who demand serious power and durability in a portable format. Built with a 64mm high-speed brushless motor and advanced duct design, this model delivers an impressive wind speed of up to 350 km per hour and a powerful 1,500-gram thrust, making it one of the strongest options in its category. Whether you are removing stubborn dust from car interiors, cleaning keyboards, clearing yard debris, or even blowing away snow, the X64PRO handles tasks effortlessly. The CNC-cut stepless speed control knob allows precise airflow adjustment, giving users complete control depending on the cleaning situation. One of its standout upgrades is the 16,000 mAh battery pack with 60-watt ultra-fast charging, capable of reaching full charge in about 20 minutes, while offering up to 10 hours of runtime on lower settings. The built-in digital display keeps you informed of remaining battery power in real time.
Number 2. Highpower 1400G Air Duster. The Highpower 1400G Air Duster is a strong and practical cleaning tool, built for users who need reliable performance for home and commercial applications. Powered by a 64mm high-speed brushless motor with an 11-blade fan assembly, it generates up to 1,400 grams of thrust, making it effective for snow removal, car detailing, keyboard cleaning, yard maintenance, and industrial dust clearing. With a working power of 1,000 watts and a 16.8-volt system operating at 50 amps current, this air duster delivers consistent airflow capable of handling demanding tasks. The 8,000 mAh battery provides solid power output, while dual charging options, Type-C and DC fast charging, offer flexibility and convenience. It supports up to 90-watt charging power and can be fully charged in approximately 1 hour, delivering around 15 minutes of maximum wind speed operation. The stepless speed control function ensures precise airflow adjustment, allowing users to tailor performance depending on the cleaning job.
Number 3. X3 Ultra 180,000 RPM Air Duster. The X3 Ultra 180,000 RPM Air Duster is engineered for high-speed performance and smart usability, making it ideal for tech enthusiasts and outdoor users alike. Featuring a powerful brushless motor capable of reaching up to 180,000 RPM, this model delivers wind speeds exceeding 58 meters per second, providing impressive airflow for dust removal, pet hair drying, air mattress inflation, and outdoor cleaning tasks. The 4-speed adjustable system allows users to switch between 60,000, 90,000, 130,000, and 180,000 RPM, with a special storm mode activated by long pressing the speed button. This flexibility ensures the right balance between power and battery efficiency. The 10,000 mAh 21700 lithium battery offers cordless convenience, eliminating the need for constant plug-in use. Charging is done via USB Type-C, making it compatible with modern charging adapters.
Number 4. Wind X7 Air Duster. The Wind X7 Air Duster offers a balanced mix of portability, efficiency, and affordability, making it a practical solution for everyday cleaning needs. Equipped with a high-speed 40mm brushless motor capable of reaching 90,000 RPM, it delivers a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second and up to 500 grams of thrust. While not as powerful as larger 64mm models, it is well suited for lighter tasks such as keyboard cleaning, car interior detailing, blowing soot, clearing small debris, and household dust removal. The built-in 3 2500 mAh lithium batteries provide dependable runtime, while the Type-C charging interface supports 20-watt fast charging for convenient power replenishment. Operating at 11.1 volt with a rated power of 240 watts, the Wind X7 maintains stable performance with relatively low heat generation.
Its metal body construction adds durability and a premium feel, while keeping the overall weight manageable at 468 grams.
Number 5. AngryLichi 13,000 RPM Air Duster. The AngryLichi 13,000 RPM Air Duster is a compact yet powerful mini turbo blower designed for portability and convenience. Despite weighing only 198 grams, it delivers impressive airflow with a maximum speed of 130,000 RPM and wind speeds reaching 52 meters per second. Powered by dual 18650 lithium batteries with a combined 2500 mAh capacity, this cordless device is ideal for quick cleaning jobs such as car interiors, electronics, keyboards, and small debris removal. Its 4-speed control system allows users to adjust airflow depending on the task, providing both gentle and high-pressure options. Operating at 5V input with under 500-watt power consumption, it remains energy efficient while still offering strong performance. The brushless motor ensures durability and longer operational life compared to traditional brushed motors. Certified with CE standards, the AngryLichi blower emphasizes safe and reliable usage. And that wraps up the top 5 best rechargeable air duster. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.